to see next, once that suppression is finished. Hopefully a few more Cobra action shots come in here from the left. And now it's time to get those reconnaissance Marines back into the helo. Again, a few shots from the Cobra. Massive Gatling gun on the front end, taking care of business. Clearing the way for the Huey. And the extraction of our reconnaissance Marines. Let's watch this. Again, seldom seen by civilians. This is normally happening in the far corners of the world where your United States Marine Corps are currently deployed. Let's watch as the helo slowly approaches to pull our reconnaissance Marines back out of what was and still is a dangerous situation.
And you can watch as they work their way back toward the helicopter. They'll do it very systematically so that no one is left unguarded by other Marines against hostile enemy fire.
You can still hear them shooting out there. We're going to have to bring in more Marines, Rob. We got the really bad guys right off the center of the field here. We're going to need a little more help, I think. Watch them get back in here. And look off into the distance. Do you see that massive 53 out there? The huge helicopter, the largest in the modern military fleet. I'm talking about that big HM-53. Capable of lifting so much, including a Hummer. We'll watch him lift it up here in a few minutes. Pick up anything it wants out there. We'll see the 53 in action here in a little while. But watch now as the old Huey departs. The Cobra in close trail.